Hey guys, welcome back to another video with me,
Happy birthday.
Kira, and today I am with, say hi.
Hello.
He's my cousin.
Jordan.
Yeah, he's 18
Years old.
and he is born. No, you won't say that. And he has a
I don't know.
moustache.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Ah!
Take a picture of him quickly. Sarah, take a picture of him.
He's got a giant panda.
Alright, come on, we're off.
We're off.
Go in the car with us so you can direct us.
I've got a billion
I got the
cousins,
bag of biscuits.
so I don't know who's who sometimes. And we're at Roundhay Park and there's flowers. I want a flower. It's so nice. Oh my god, there's a girl with bunny ears on. I'm vlogging. Could be famous. There's like this giant river thing, but it looks beautiful. Not the water, but it actually really stinks. There's like this statue. They're like all arguing because like, oh my gosh, it's a dog. Jordan, you know that photo? It just popped up. It failed to send. There's a giant archway. There's a creepy woman there. I think she works here, so I better like hide it. Right.
Can we take it off now?
Alright, in a second.
I was carrying a bag of cement.
There's a little dog here.
It's got all the food in, so can we just split it out?
There's a little dog. Show you.
Kira.
Okay, right, see you later. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. Say bye.
Goodbye, everyone.